Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Smart Home. Today, we've got a common issue that many smart TV users face, the dreaded green screen problem. But worry not, because in today's video, we're going to walk you through how to fix the green screen problem on your smart TV. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tech tutorials. Let's get started. Overview of green screen issue. So, you're watching your favorite show or movie, and suddenly your smart TV decides to turn green. It's frustrating, but luckily, there are a few solutions that can help you get back to enjoying your content without the green tint. Let's go through the steps. Checking cable connections. The first thing you want to check is your cable connections. Make sure all cables, including HDMI or any other input cables, are securely connected to both your smart TV and the external device, such as a cable box, gaming console, or streaming device. A loose connection could be the culprit behind the green screen problem. Restart your smart TV. If checking the cables didn't solve the issue, the next step is to restart your smart TV. Sometimes, glitches in the system can cause display problems. Simply turn off your TV, unplug it from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Turn your TV back on, and see if the green screen problem persists. Update firmware drivers. Another common cause of display issues is outdated firmware or drivers. Check your smart TV manufacturer's website for any available firmware updates. If there are updates, follow the instructions provided to update your TV's firmware. Similarly, make sure that any external devices connected to your TV, such as gaming consoles or streaming devices, have the latest firmware or driver updates installed. Adjust picture settings. If you're still seeing a green screen, it might be a problem with your TV's picture settings. Access your TV's settings menu, navigate to the display or picture settings, and reset them to default. You can also try adjusting the color settings, contrast, and brightness to see if that resolves the issue. Conclusion. And there you have it, a few steps to help you fix the green screen problem on your smart TV. If none of these solutions work, it might be a hardware issue, and you may need to contact your TV's manufacturer or seek professional help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with anyone who might be facing the same issue. If you have any other tech-related problems you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.